Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 21, word problems about equal groups. So here we have the problem. The coach separated the 48 players into 6 teams, with the same number of players on each team. How many players were on each team? So this is a number of groups times the number in each group equals my total. I can write the formula this way or vertically, so horizontally or vertically, okay? The number of groups is one factor, and the number in each group is my other factor. Okay. In an equal groups problem, one of the numbers is missing. If the total is missing, we just multiply to find the answer. If one of the factors is missing, then we divide. So here it says, at Lincoln School, there are 4 classes of 5th graders with 30 students in each class. Altogether, how many students are in the 4 classes? So this problem is about equal groups. We want the same number of students in each class. My groups are the classes. Groups always have things inside of it. The number of each group is 30 because there's 30 students in each class. So I would say, and then I want to know how many students there are. So I have the 4 classes times the 30 students equals my total. Well, we know how to do this mentally. I think, okay, 4 times 3 is 12, and then I add a 0 at the end. So my total equals 120. If you don't know how to do that mentally, we can multiply. So we can go 30 times 4, and we go 4 times 0 is 0, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. All right. So the next problem says, Monifa raked leaves and filled 28 bags. On each trip, she could carry away 4 bags with leaves. How many trips did it take Monifa to carry away all of the bags? Well, I know that there are 4 bags with leaves. Okay. Oh, sorry. I know it takes, I read that wrong. So I know that it takes, on each trip, she can take 4 bags with her. And I know the total number of bags she has is 28. What I don't know is how many trips it'll take. Okay, to get all 28 bags. So to solve this problem, I'm going to have to divide because my missing number is a factor. So I'm going to do 28 divided by 4. Well, I know 28 divided by 4 equals 7. So it'll take her 7 trips to get to carry away all the bags. Right, and let's solve that problem that we started with. So the coach separated the 48 players onto the 6 teams with the same number on each team. How many players are on each team? In this case, I don't know how many players there are. So I have some number of players. Okay, I know there are 6 teams. And I know that I have a total of 48 players. And it's n players on a team. Okay. So to solve this one, I'm going to divide. So I'll end up with 48 divided by 6 equals how many players I have. Well, 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Because 6 times 8 equals 48. So my answer is there are 8 players on each team. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.